Hi everyone, my name is Craig from Flying Wheels and this is my 2011 Mercedes GL450. This is the big one, the best one. This is as good as it gets for Mercedes SUVs. It's a full-size 7-passenger with absolutely every option and a clean history. Clean history meaning it was serviced at the Mercedes dealership regularly. The tires were just done. Tires were just replaced with a four-wheel alignment and obviously balanced as well. Again, this has every single option, and this is your virtual test drive. So I'm going to give you a walk around of the entire car, show you all the good and any bad that I can find about it to help you get more comfortable with it. Let's start with the wheels. We'll go right to the wheels. Again, the tires were just done. Toyo Celsius tires. Those are $1,600 wheels and tires. See a little bit of wear around the center caps here, but going down the body is clean and straight. We'll go to the front. Again, a little bit on the center caps again, but that's about it. I mean, I'm trying to pick apart everything I can. You can see the paint is clean. The paint is shiny. There's no dings or dents. Front bumper has no real road debris. It's a 2011 with 125,000 miles. 4.5 liter, I believe, V8 automatic 4x4. A little bit of a ding right there, if you can see that. Tiny one, but it's there. Center cap right there. Going down the side. The truck is clean, and I'm trying to pick things apart, and there's really nothing to mention. This is a powered door. It is 4matic, so it is all-wheel drive. It is the 450. These are third row, push button, third row seats. All I have to do is push a button, and these will fold down or fold up. I can push this button here to close it. Going to the passenger side, you can see we just had it detailed and it is really, really clean. It does have the sunroof. It does have dual DVD players with a remote. If I open right here, you can see the third row is clean as well. And if I push these buttons, it'll close and open electronically. Going to the passenger seat. Let's see how clean the passenger seat is too, as well as the driver's seat. A little bit of wear on the outer bolster, I guess, right there, kind of. No stains, no odors, non-smoker car. Everything works just like it should, and it does have navigation. And I also have 2 keys with 2 remotes, and again, it was serviced at the Mercedes dealer. This car is awesome. If you have any questions or would like to see it in person, you can call me at 603-475-0277. Find more pictures and information on our website at www.flying-wheels.com. And if you're into anything auto related, make sure to subscribe, because I post vehicles and information regularly on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much, and I hope to hear from you.